So hello guys, for today's video guys, we go back again to our neighbor to buying some hanger clip. So I check if maybe somebody there now, someone there now. Because when I go there, nobody there, no. So now I try to go again. Maybe now it's okay. Somebody over there now. So where's your money, Inday? I heard the money of Inday. Miss you? Show your money. Oh, this one. Pila man na siya? Pila na siya?
100.
100 pesos in the Philippine money. So we can buy the 5 pieces of hanger clip. We can buy 5 pieces, no? Laon ko lagi na itong kuan. Hingubos. Hingubos ang hangkuan. Ihurot na ha. Sige, balabang na yun. Kaya na sila oh. Dali. Gi, ayo ha. Gina. Ayo ha. So, Inday is here now. Palit mig usab.